Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will tell you how to use eBay cashback. So the first and I think the most important thing that you cannot get cashback just from the eBay application itself because eBay doesn't offer cashback option directly, so you will need to go through a cashback platform. So you need to firstly choose your cashback platform, and then in this platform you need to search for eBay, and click on the eBay that will pop up, and it will show you the current cashback rate, and then hit Shop Now button. And that will redirect you to eBay with cashback tracking activated. And then all you need to do is just shop like you normally would do on eBay, and just wait for the cashback to be returned to you. So it will be automatically returned to you to your credit card. So that's basically it, how you can use eBay cashback. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.